my name is Jyotika Malhotra and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today I'll be talking about Article 19 of Indian Constitution. Article 19 of the Constitution of India guarantees 6 fundamental freedoms to every citizen of India. The natural and fundamental freedoms that these 6 rights represent are only available to citizens or to natural persons who have the legal status of citizens. These freedoms and rights are not absolute, but they are nonetheless subject to some reasonable restrictions. Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. All citizens have the right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution. One of the citizens' most prized rights is their freedom of speech and expression, which is the cornerstone of a democratic society. It is the first prerequisite for freedom and has a significant impact on how the general population feels. The right to express oneself through any means, including speaking, writing, images, signs, and the internet, is known as freedom of speech and expression. The right to be informed and to express their opinions, as well as the right to possess an opinion, has been ensured to every citizen of India. Article 19(1)(b) of Indian Constitution. The freedom to assemble peacefully and without weapons is granted by Article 19(1)(b). This includes the freedom to conduct processions, hunger strikes, and public meetings. However, the meeting must be non-violent and free of weapons. Article 19(1)(c) of Indian Constitution. The ability to organize into organizations, unions, or cooperative societies is provided for under Article 19(1)(c). An association is a collection of people who have banded together to accomplish a certain goal, whether it is for the members' benefit, the welfare of the public at large, a scientific, charitable, or any other reason. Article 19(1)(d) of the Indian Constitution ensures an Indian citizen's freedom of movement throughout the nation. A person has the freedom to migrate between states and between locations inside a state. This privilege upholds the notion that, in terms of its citizens, India is a single entity. Therefore, the goal is to advance nationalism rather than localism. Article 19(1)(e) of the Indian Constitution states that every citizen has the freedom to reside and settle in any part of the Indian territory. This right has 2 parts. Firstly, right to reside in any part of the country, which means to stay at any place temporarily, and secondly, the right to settle in any part of the country has been ensured to Indian citizens, which means to set up a home or domicile at any place permanently. The most important and spoken about Article 1(g) of Indian Constitution. It states the right to practice any profession and to engage in any occupation, trade, or business is guaranteed to all citizens of India. This right is extremely broad because it encompasses every source of income. Now, dividing up this video, and if anyone has any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.